Good morning. My name is Cesar Carrizales, and today I'm going to talk about some fundamental legal concepts and basic legal terminology in English. Law is a system of rules that regulates people's conduct and uh, help resolve conflicts in society. There are different branches of law, and each one deals with different types of legal problems. In this presentation, I will explain some branches of law, basic legal terms, and the people who participate in courtroom. First, the several important branches of law. Civil law deal with disputes between individual or organizations. For example, a person might file a lawsuit against another person and claim compensation for damages. Criminal law deal with crimes and their consequences. Excuse me. In criminal case, a person may be accused from committing a crime and found guilty may receive a punishment such as fine or uh, imprisonment. Excuse me. Administrative law regulate the activities of government agencies and their relationship with individual and business. It can involve regulation license, administrative procedures, and disciplinary actions. Another important area in contract law, a contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties. If one party does not perform its obligations, there may a breach of contract. These branches use many basic legal terms. For example, a lawsuit in legal action brought before a court. In a civil case, the plaintiff bring the action against the defendant. The parties may be represented by attorneys who present arguments and evidence to support their clients. Excuse me. A a simple example will be a car accident. If a driver caused an accident because of negligence, the injured person may decide to sue the driver and claim the damages. An attorney can present evidence and explain why the defendant may be legal responsible. The court also has different participants. The judge pres, uh, the judge presides over the proceeding and applies the law. The attorneys represent the parties and and present their arguments. A witness gives information about facts related to the case. In some systems, a jury listens to the evidence and decide whether a person guilty or not guilty. A court reporter creates a written record of what happens during the proceeding while the clerk of the court assists with administrative duties. During a trial, the parties present evidence and arguments after considering the case. If the court reaches a decision in some circumstance, a party may also appeal the decision and ask another court review it. In conclusion, legal English includes terminology related to different branches of law, legal procedures, and the people who participate in them. Terms such as plaintiff, defendant, attorney, judge, witness, jury, lawsuit, damages, evidence, trial, appeal, contract, and negligence are fundamental to understand the legal communication in English. Learning this vocabulary is especially important for law students, because legal professionals may need to understand documents, communicate with clients, research legal information, and interact with professionals from different legal systems. Understanding legal terminology in English therefore provides another useful tool for study and practicing law. Thank you for your attention.